What is Slovenia's most popular ski resort really like? It's the closest ski resort to a European airport, just 30 minutes from Ljubljana, and it boasts some of the country's best terrain. I'm Ride with R, and in this review we are diving deep into Krvavec. Let's start with a killer feature, location. Krvavec is very convenient. You're looking at a 30-minute drive from Slovenia's capital, Ljubljana, or just 10 minutes from the airport. You park at the bottom and a gondola takes you to the main ski area. Krvavec is a big mountain by Slovenian standards. We are riding here at elevations ranging from the base area at 1,450 meters all the way up to the summit at 1,971 meters. That gives us an impressive 521 meters of vertical drop. Krvavec offers 30 kilometers of slopes with a great mix of difficulties. We have a good amount of blue or easy runs, but the real heart of the mountains is the 15 kilometers of red pistes and about 8 kilometers of black runs. After a good snowfall, Krvavec's off-piste potential is excellent. It also offers an easy and accessible starting point for ski touring. One of my favorite things to do here in Krvavec is to descend all the way from the top to the bottom of the ski resort. It's a leg burner, but the views are incredible and worth the effort. The slopes are well maintained and crucially about 90% are covered by snowmaking for guaranteed conditions. The lift system here is a mix of modern and old. Once you're up on the mountain, you're looking at 7 chairlifts and a few surface lifts. They have invested in faster chairs like the new 6-person chairlift. This means you spend more time riding and less time waiting in line, although it can still get really busy on weekends. Compared to other Slovenian ski resorts, the vibe here is lively and social. You have to check out the Snow Beach Plaža area, which is a great place to stop for a lunch or drink in the sun with some music playing. So here's my verdict on Krvavec. It's a good option for its challenging terrain, amazing views, long runs, and very convenient if you live in Ljubljana. It's perfect for intermediate and advanced riders looking for long runs and beautiful scenery. On the downside, it can get really busy on weekends and some lifts are a bit old. Overall, I consider Krvavec a contender to be one of Slovenia's best ski resorts. If you want a mountain with dynamic terrain and party atmosphere, Krvavec is your go-to. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more adventures. Thanks for riding with R.